To make the quickest biryani, in my Instant Pot, I start by frying the onions and I take them out, and in the same oil, I fry all the whole spices, let them get fragrant, and then add the frozen basic masala. I'm gonna link that for you guys to take a look. I freeze it, it's already pre-cooked, it's already pre-bonified, and I use about 1 cup of that, and I used about a quarter cup of water. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. You can use homemade or you can use store-bought, whatever your preference. Then I'm adding my chicken, give it a good stir, and now I'm adding salt because I don't freeze my basic masala with salt so that I can adjust it later depending on how much quantity I am using. Next, pressure cook your chicken for about 5 minutes and perform a quick pressure release. You don't want your chicken to fall off the bone just yet because it's gonna cook with the rice as well. Now the chicken is ready. You can taste it for salt and pepper and the spices. If you need to adjust it now. For me, it looks perfect. To this, I'm adding about 2.5 cups of pre-soaked rice. These were soaked for about 30 minutes and then I strained them. This actually makes a big difference in the fluffiness of your rice. Now I'm adding some milk in which I dissolved some saffron and some food coloring, followed by some chopped ginger, some green chilies, as well as the onions that we fried in the beginning, and some chopped fresh coriander and mint. Now close the lid of your Instant Pot, put it to sealing mode, and then hit the rice mode. It goes to auto and then it selects about 8 to 12 minutes depending on how much rice you're using. Once the timer is up, remove the pressure, release the pressure, and walk away. Let your Instant Pot, let your biryani sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives your rice a chance to really settle and fluff up nicely and get separated. And look at that, your biryani is ready with minimal effort and in such less time. Look at those rice grains, perfectly fluffed up, perfect every single time. So do try this method. I'm gonna link the detailed videos in the description box below for you guys to have a look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and consider subscribing to my channel for more amazing content like this. Until next time, the homemaker over and out.